The Addictions Academy announces new courses in brain health and harm reduction to provide addiction professionals valuable and needed training. Founder Dr. Cali Estes announced the Addictions Academy has launched two new nationally certified coaching courses to help train addiction professionals advanced brain health and harm reduction techniques and strategies. Dr. Cali Estes, the addictions coach and founder of the Addictions Academy, confirmed they have officially launched the two new nationally certified coaching courses to help train addictions professionals enhanced methods to help individuals struggling with addiction and substance use disorder. In the nationally certified brain health recovery coaching, NCBHRC, course, the Addictions Academy will address the importance of rebuilding brain health through holistic neurotransmitter repair. The course will provide the skills needed to ensure clients with significantly improved outcomes. This means more sobriety and less suffering. Harm reduction, or harm minimization, is a scope of general public health policies intended to lessen the unsafe results connected with different human practices, both lawful and illicit. The harm reduction strategies taught in the nationally certified harm reduction recovery coaching, NCBHRC, course are utilized to oversee practices. For example, recreational drug use and sexual activities in various settings that range from services through to geographical districts. Explaining the need for these courses, Estes said, "Being a professional today means being an expert in your respective niche. You must be well-rounded and know all aspects of your industry. Traditional strategies don't work for everyone, and new approaches are often blended with old to produce the optimum results." Estes continued, "Professionals in the addiction recovery industry today need to have an in-depth understanding of all of the treatment modalities available to clients to be able to do the best job they can, and have the best possible outcome. Addictions of every kind create massive changes to your chemical messengers, neurotransmitters, that not only affect you both physically and emotionally but also make the potential for relapse greater. Many people discuss neurotransmitters such as dopamine, norepinephrine, serotonin, and GABA but do not offer solutions to these imbalances. The Brain Health Recovery Coach course will teach the key neurotransmitters that the brain needs to become balanced and return to homeostasis. This in-depth course will also teach how to assess for neurotransmitter imbalance and how to correct it with nutrients, amino acids, essential oils and the basics of gut health. Brain health through neurotransmitter balance is the missing component to long-lasting recovery. Dr. Terrell Sell, the course instructor, explained. Dr. Sell stated, "A tremendous amount of research supports neurotransmitter repair in the addiction recovery process. Clients no longer have to white-knuckle their way through recovery. Instead, they are able to sustain recovery and have an improved mood at the same time." NPR, National Public Radio, recently reported, in parts of the country hit hard by addiction, some public health officials are considering running sites where people can use heroin and other illegal drugs under medical supervision. Advocates say these facilities, known as supervised injection sites, save lives that would otherwise be lost to overdoses and provide a bridge to treatment. The report went on, harm reduction advocates hope supervised injection sites can follow the path of needle exchange programs which have gained wider acceptance over the years, thanks to their role in containing the spread of HIV and AIDS. When asked about their new harm reduction recovery coach program, Estes voiced, "With the acceptance of alternative methods of treating substance use disorder, it is imperative that you get the most comprehensive training available and understand what the alternatives are at this time. Not every client wants to be totally abstinent and you need to understand all types of therapy being offered." The goal of the Addiction Academy's harm reduction program is to train professionals in all aspects of harm reduction modalities and strategies. MAT programming, controlled drinking, cannabis use and also step-down detox protocols, along with safe injection sites and decriminalization of drugs are on the forefront of the addiction industry, and it is imperative professionals become well-versed in their efficacy. Find out more about these courses and learn more about Dr. Cali Estes, the addictions coach. Visit